Welcome back to the Simple Workshop. Today we're going to make ourselves a little bird feeder. It looks like a porch swing. Okay, I'm just starting to lay this out from our scrap wood pile here. I'm going to make a bunch of cuts and we'll see what we can come up with. Here's everything that we're going to need. And some chain and 4 little eye hooks. Alright, first thing I'm going to tell you is you have to use the outside wood glue, water cleanup, but it is waterproof. So after it dries, it won't fall apart if you have a good rainstorm. We're going to glue this all together. We're not going to do anything more. Remember, this is going outside. It's going to get a coat of paint. So there we have that. Sweet and simple. Wipe off a little glue from the outside there. Okay. Measurement was 10 inches. Mark the center of 5. These will be your backing plate. Squeeze everything tight for a moment or two. I can set that up on edge. Grab my square here, just to make sure nothing's too out of whack. I'm going to give that a couple of moments to cure up. Alright, I decided to put a couple clamps on these. Things kept wiggling around and I didn't want to take too much time gluing this together. So I have them 3 glued on. Now I have my uprights for my seat, or for my armrest. So let's glue these on. About a 1/2 inch back. Give them a good press. There we go. Matter of fact, I might even put a clamp on them just so I can continue. Now, I'm going to let this cure up just a little bit. See, stop that from happening. And then I'm going to put on the back slats. Alright, I decided that I'm just going to clamp and clothespin everything up. That way it's got time to dry, but I'm going to just go for this. I'm going to keep the same measure down as the slat, so 3/4 wide. As you've seen, I can get away with using clothespins to clamp things down. Don't need anything fancy. You just gotta remember, everything's gonna get a coat of paint by the time we're done, so a little glue is sticking out and that just isn't really a big deal. We'll make the bottom a little bit closer together. Board. There, that takes care of those. The backing plate. Okay, and I had already screwed in these eye hooks. You can see that. And the boards are ready to hang the swing. Okay, I have these here. I'm going to glue these on. These are going to go on even with the back and the front. See, about 3/4 of an inch off the tip. There. And we'll come back shortly after some of that glue hardens up and see what it looks like. Well, I've removed most of the clamps. I'm going to put the chain on. Undress my pliers. I can squeeze the chain shut. It's just standard light fixture chain. You can pick it up at any store. I only went 5 links on each side. And there we have it. Let's see if I can get away. I know my glue is still a little damp, but not too bad. And there you have it. Nice little swing. Put some bird feed in, hang it from a tree, and good to go. Just need a little bit of paint to make it look right. And there you have it. Nice little porch swing bird feeder. Don't forget, give it a good coat of enamel paint, make it weatherproof, and put it anywhere on a fence, hang it in a tree. I'm sure the birds will love it. Well, if you'd like to see more projects like this, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.